Networking happens when you turn contacts into friendships. But that's easier said than done. Nobody likes to meet new people. Being in awkward social circumstances is nerve-wracking. It's fear-inducing. So, here's what I do about it. I short-circuit the entire process. I mentally pretend that anybody I meet for the first time is already a future close friend of mine. That sets me at ease, and when I'm at ease, I make everybody around me feel comfortable. So I short-circuit and I bypass all the preliminary things that you think about. Right? It's a great trick and I highly recommend you try it. Okay, but what do you talk about? That's the biggest fear of networking. Once you're comfortable, how does a conversation start? And this is what your job is. Your job is to find mutual topics of interest, of overlap, of things that you both care about. Now this is in direct opposition of most networking advice. Everybody says, hey, talk about something that the other person's interested in. Ask them about their hobbies, blah, 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 blah. It doesn't matter. If you don't care, you can't fake it. So instead, you need to know yourself. You need to know the things that you're truly interested in. Make a list. Make a list of all the things that you love, that you read about on your own time, that you don't do for work, but that you passionately care about. And then find those topics in other people. Find overlaps. Find ways of being interested and interesting and where you merge. When you combine these two things, pretending that you already know somebody and talking about things that are mutually interesting to both of you, sparks fly, real relationships develop, and you're allowed to move the relationship from contact to friendship.